To share a YouTube video on Instagram, it's very easy to do. I'm going to show you how to share it on your Instagram story. So go ahead to YouTube and go to the channel that you want to grab your video from. I'm just going to choose the first one here. You can go ahead and hit the three dots at the far right side of that video and go ahead and hit share and then copy link. So once your link is copied, go out of YouTube and go into Instagram. Go ahead and swipe over to story. And what you can do is either take a picture or choose a picture from your camera roll. So I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to choose this one here. And take your two fingers and you can move the photo around if you want. And then from here, what you want to do is go to the stickers icon at the very top of the phone there and go ahead and hit link. And then go ahead and paste your video link there. Hit done. You can resize this if you want for a bigger icon. Then you go ahead and hit continue, and then you would share and your link would be on your Instagram story. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.